everyone. Welcome to another week of learning. This is issue number 4 of Tech, Teach, and Transform. I'm Kelsey Amaya. I'm a teacher in Klein ISD, and I just wanted to show you a couple of my favorites. EdTech tip, Chrome extension, my favorite of favorites that I found last week, and then just some Google for Education, Google Suite stuff that I definitely would recommend. So let's start off with the first one. So the first one is all about digital stickers through Canva. Digital stickers, you can personalize them to each student. You can get as creative as you want. They're super engaging because your face is on the page, and it's great for student feedback during this digital time. I actually got this idea from Candace B. Please go follow her. She's phenomenal. She's got great resources all the time that she throws out for free for educators. So Candace B was the one that kind of motivated me to do this. And then I just got a lot of feedback from the sticker that I put on some of my things. So I thought I would add that to my newsletter. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take a selfie of yourself and then go to remove.bg to remove the background. And then you'll download that picture and you'll be ready to start on your sticker. So the first thing you're going to do after you get your Bitmo or your selfie all together, you're going to go to canva.com. You'll go to create a design, custom dimensions, and you're going to do 2 inches by 2 inches and then hit create new design. Then once it's created, your blank slate will pop up and you're going to go over to your left-hand side and click elements. And you're going to choose any of the frames. So any of the frames templates. You want to do a frame so that your picture goes into that frame. So I'm going to choose this one. And you're just going to click on the one you choose. Make it as big as the paper. There we go. Now you're going to go to uploads and you're going to upload your image to Canva. So whatever image you just took of yourself, you're going to upload it to Canva. And so I already have one uploaded. So here's mine. So all you're going to do is just drag it, hold your mouse and drag it over so your background goes away. You don't want to just click it because look what happens. The background doesn't go away. It's a frame. So you have to just hold it and drag it over. So there we go. So now my picture is in the circle frame that I just created. Now you can add text to your sticker. So I'm going to add a text box and I'm going to add a heading. And my heading, because I'm doing this on somebody's work, maybe you wanted to add a heading that says great speller. Okay. You can change the font to whatever you want. There we go. You can also change the color. If you want to change the color, I'm going to change it to white. Okay. See what that looks like. Perfect. When you get all of your sticker together, you can also add any of you can add any clip art or anything like that to your sticker as well. So once you get your sticker together, you'll go to download. You want to download it as a PNG file, and then you'll just click download. Once it's downloaded, it'll either go straight into your Google folder that you have on your computer, or it'll pop up on the bottom of your screen. Mine just pops up on the bottom of my screen. I'm not going to do anything with it. Then you're going to get your student's work. So I'm going to find a work that my student has done. So let's see if I can find work that my student completed either in Google Classroom, Canvas, Schoology, and that they've submitted. And so once I find this, I can actually add in by dragging up my picture into this person's work, making it smaller so that it just fits right under nicely. And there is my digital sticker, great speller, for this student's work that she created on her sentences. Okay, so this is just a fun way to just put yourself on your student's work and engage them. And it's just a great way to be creative and just build that relationship with your students. Okay, the next thing is tab scissors and tab glue. This is an extension. So I have mine up here and it looks like a scissor and it looks like a glue. So to get those, all you're going to do is go to the App Store, go to Web Store, hit extensions, and you're going to search the store for tab scissors. It's the first one that pops up. You'll add it to Chrome. and then you'll hit Tab Glue, and you'll add that to your Chrome as well. Once it is added to your Chrome, if I click on this newsletter right here, if I hit the scissors, it's going to split my screen where this is going to be a whole nother Chrome, everything after this tab, and then this is going to be a whole nother Chrome. So if I click this scissor, okay, it split the screens into two identical screens, but there's just these tabs on one, these tabs on another. Now, when you're done with split screen, you'll just make one screen of yours bigger. You'll just hit glue. And see, it glues everything back together for your Chrome. So now you don't have to drag up Chrome tabs to try and put them back in a Chrome. Just use the extension Tab Scissors and Tab Glue. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to show you is Linktree. So Linktree, if you have Instagram, Linktree, or you follow Bitmoji Becca for Bitmoji Classrooms, Linktree is a great tool to keep all of your links into one. So it's just a great way. So if you have lots of links that you want to send out to your teachers or your faculty and staff, you can create a link tree and only send that one link with all those other links inside of it. So here's my link tree. So I have all of my links on here that people have asked me for. So what you're going to do to add a new link, you'll just click Add New Link. You can type in the title that you wanted to show on your web browser. You could type in the URL, and then you can make it public or make it where people cannot see it yet. And you can also delete it when you're done. So I'm going to just delete it. You can also see if you're working on this on a computer, you can see a preview before you send it out. So if I click this, all of the links are right there. So I don't have to send all of these links to every educator. I can just send this one link to my faculty and staff, and they can see all of the stuff that I'm creating. So it's a great tool to keep all of the Google Drive stuff that you're creating, all helpful tips and links and websites and all of that into Linktree. So one link. Okay. All right. The last thing I'm going to talk to y'all about is Google Drive Detox. So Google Drive Detox, this is done from Air Integration. So if you don't follow her on Twitter, or if you're not subscribed to her newsletter, I would definitely subscribe. And I would definitely start out with this Google Drive Detox. It's a 14-day detox, and it declutters and it makes you have your Google Drive. It's a more peaceful way to organize your Google Drive because Air Integration makes it like a spa-like feel. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to airintegration.com and you're going to look for the 14-day detox of your Google Drive. And what she does is she's created it into a spa-like of the 14 days. So there's all different types of things. So that way you're not doing it all at once. You're breaking it up into 14 days. And it's really calming to do it that way. And it doesn't take that long. It takes maybe 5-10 minutes to complete each task. So how you do that is you'll just go to her website and you'll just sign up with your email and your name. You'll hit sign me up now. And it goes straight into your email with all of the information. And she sends it every morning for 14 days for you to be able to complete it. And so I am done with mine. And so I actually have nothing. I only have one thing, but I have nothing down here like I used to. I used to have things not in folders. My folders were not color coded. I'm able to put numbers next to it. So that way I can do by name. And then I can see all of the ones that I want first off the bat on there. So it's just a great way to keep you organized. So I would definitely go and subscribe to airintegration.com and go do that Google Drive detox before we get back to school. If you need any help, contact me. There's all of my information at the bottom with my Twitter, my YouTube, and my website. And just have fun creating. And I hope these were new tools for you to use in your classroom this year. Bye.